5 ways you can make money with AI, and it's really simple. 1. Kindle eBooks. I've been uploading eBooks for the last 2 weeks. I've uploaded 17 eBooks and I've made $23. And best of all, these eBooks were written and then edited by me using ChatGPT and eBook Maker. Basically, if you know a little bit or a lot about a specific topic, you can create books based on that topic in itself. So, in my case, I have anxiety, there's ADHD, and autism within my family. So, I thought I'd make user help guides based on those things and backed up by research from ChatGPT just to make sure that I've got all the facts and figures correct. In 2 weeks, I have received over 500 downloads, and although most of those happen to be free giveaways, I'm now also starting to see an income in themselves, because why not give it out for free and then get paid for them to read the book? That's exactly what KDP, which is Kindle Digital Publishing, does for you. 2. Why not help other people create short form content? Opus Clip is a fantastic tool that I even pay for myself. There's a link in the description down below. But what it allows you to do is take any long form content, plug it into Opus Clip. It will then spit out 10 short form content clips. You can even add captions, and then you can sell that back to people. Whether you're doing that on Fiverr, whether you're doing it as an editing software tool, this could be a great way for you to go to existing YouTubers and offer them a way to create short form content, whether it's for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels, anything. AI is your best buddy here. 3. HeyGen. Now this one is incredibly fun and incredibly creepy all at the same time. Let's say you have a YouTube channel, or you know somebody that does. They've been uploading YouTube videos in English for years and years and years, and they've been getting a little bit of success, but now you want to diversify. You want to upload the videos in Hindi, but I don't know how to speak Hindi. Don't worry, HeyGen can help you. You upload the video, you choose the language, it will dub your video, it will even change your lips to match that language and clone your voice. Here is a good example of my own YouTube download video.
ये संपीड़ित है, तो शायद आपने 4K में अपलोड किया हो, लेकिन ये उसे एक संपीड़ित संस्करण में डाउनलोड करेगा, एक बहुत छोटी फाइल। ये आमतौर पर 1200 HCI 760 या बहुत ही समान होता है.
So, not only can you make money in yourself by uploading these videos to maybe other YouTube platforms in a different language, or you get in touch with other existing YouTube creators and promise to dub their videos for them. Syllaby.io, this is a fantastic tool that can generate ideas, generate a video script for you based on keyword research and AI. So I can plug in a keyword, it will generate a script for me, and then I can either clone myself as an avatar, so therefore it can make the videos for me, therefore it's my face, it's my voice, but I'm not actually recording it. Or I can use that script as a jumping off point to record my own content. Script writing and content ideation can be very hard. Syllaby.io makes it easier. Ossa.io. Now this is a fantastic tool if combined with something like Syllaby.io. Drop your keyword script into Ossa. It will generate for you faceless videos, including B-roll, including captions that generates YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikToks. This way you can grow a faceless YouTube channel without ever having to not only record your own voice, but actually go out and do the hard work of finding the B-roll. AI makes our life so much easier. Why not leverage it to make a little bit of money on the side? All links that I've discussed today are in the description down below.